With SharkBite Max, we elevated the game. Today, we celebrate what it means to take it to the max. The pinnacle of fitting technology.
It pushes right in.
Booyah. Innovation. Reliability.
These have a great seal, they're easy to install, and it takes no time at all.
Efficiency. SharkBite Max delivers and then some.
Overall, it's a win for me.
Oh yeah.
Designed for the professionals, embraced by all. With every transition and connection, you're able to solve problems, serve your communities, and build trust, transforming countless projects and achieving milestones with a future full of possibilities. SharkBite Max, continuing the legacy and celebrating many more installations. Keep taking it to the max.